What's going on, travelers? Eric here with the All-Inclusive Exclusive, and today we're venturing into the world of cruising. If you're planning your very first cruise, there are a few key things you need to know to ensure smooth sailing. In this video, I'll cover the top 10 things you absolutely need to know before setting sail on your first cruise. From packing tips to onboard hacks, I've got you covered. So let's dive in. First things first, you need to choose the right cruise. Research cruise lines and itineraries, because not all cruise lines are the same, and your experience can vary greatly depending on the one you choose. For families, Royal Caribbean or Disney Cruise Line might be the perfect offering with kid-friendly activities, water slides, and character meet and greets. For adults looking for luxury cruises, consider Viking Ocean Cruises, Celebrity Cruises, or maybe even Virgin Voyages. These focus on elegant dining, cultural enrichment, and upscale accommodations. Research what cruise line is known for what and pick one that aligns with your travel style. Next is to understand your itinerary. A cruise to the Caribbean is very different from an Alaskan cruise, and your preferences should guide your choice. Caribbean cruises often feature warmer weather, beach days, and vibrant cultures, while Alaskan cruises highlight majestic glaciers, wildlife, and cooler climates. Also, check how many sea days versus port days are included. If you love exploring new places, then pick an itinerary with frequent stops. And if relaxation is your goal, a cruise with more sea days may be more ideal. Next up, let's talk about budgeting. And that's why at number 3 on the list, you need to understand what's included. While cruises are often marketed as all-inclusive, there are many extras you'll need to budget for. Standard inclusions usually cover your cabin, meals in the main dining area, basic beverages like water and tea, and onboard entertainment. However, extras such as specialty dining, alcohol, shore excursions, spa treatments, and Wi-Fi typically come with additional fees. Some cruise lines offer drink or dining packages that can save you money if you plan to indulge. Make sure to compare what's included when choosing your cruise. Speaking of what's included, if you could do me a favor and include a like and subscribe to today's video, I would really appreciate it. It helps the channel grow and helps me continue to bring you new cruise, travel, and all-inclusive related content in the future. Coming in at number 4 is you need to plan for gratuities. Most cruise lines automatically add gratuities to your bill, but it's good to know this up front. These tips cover the hardworking crew who make your trip amazing, from housekeeping to dining staff. Typically, gratuities run around $15 per person per day, but check your cruise line's policy, as some include it in the fare and some don't. It's also nice to carry small bills for tipping exceptional service, such as your luggage porter or maybe your favorite bartender. Now, let's talk about packing, because when you go on a cruise, it's a little bit different. You're going to want to pack carry-on essentials. On embarkation day, it might take a few hours for your luggage to arrive at your cabin. Pack a carry-on bag with essentials like your travel documents, medications, a swimsuit, and a change of clothes, just in case. In that carry-on, you may also want to include things like sunscreen, snacks, and electronics like extra phone chargers or power blocks. That way you can start enjoying the ship's amenities right away without having to wait for your bags. Next up at number 6 is to dress for the cruise. Most cruises have at least one formal night. Formal attire could mean a suit and tie or an evening dress, just depending on the cruise line. During the day, resort casual clothing is usually fine. Casual shoes are a must for walking around the ship and on shore excursions. Don't forget weather-appropriate gear. Bring a lightweight jacket for cooler evenings or a hat and sunglasses for sunny days. Embarkation day can be a bit overwhelming, but the following tips will make it a breeze. You're going to want to arrive before your embarkation time to make sure that you can avoid long lines and give yourself plenty of time to board. Arriving early also gives you a chance to explore the ship before it gets crowded. Some cruise lines have assigned boarding times, so check your ticket and try to arrive at the beginning of your time slot. This will help you get a head start on exploring and maybe even let you grab lunch before the ship sets sail. At number 8, you'll want to have your documents ready. You'll need your passport, your boarding pass, or your driver's license and birth certificate. Make sure to check with your cruise line to make sure that you have the required documents for the itinerary you booked. Keep these documents easily accessible to speed up the check-in process. It's also a good idea to print out documents as backup in case your phone dies or you lose internet access. Once on board, here's how to make the most out of your cruise. You're going to want to book activities and dining early. Many cruise ships have specialty restaurants, spa treatments, and activities that require reservations. Book these as soon as you board, or even before the cruise if you're allowed to. Popular options like steakhouse dinners, massages, and shore excursions can fill up fast. And a pro tip, some cruise lines offer discounts if you book certain activities on embarkation day. Be sure to check out what options are available. And number 10, which may be the most important of all of these because it gives you all the information, is to download the Cruise Lines app. Most cruise lines have an app that lets you check daily schedules, book activities, and even communicate with other passengers. These apps often include maps of the ship, making it easier to navigate around. Plus, some apps allow you to make your dinner reservations, track your spending, and view your photos from onboard photographers. It's a handy tool to have at your fingertips. And there you have it, travelers. 10 essential tips to know before your first cruise. Have more questions about cruising? Drop them in the comments below. And while you're there, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips, guides, and cruising all-inclusive hacks. Thanks for watching, happy sailing, and I'll see you in the next one.